This is the drive into the subdivision. There's a horse out. Oh, might be a horse and a donkey. I can't tell, but
I think
it's a huge horse. Oh, they ran into the barn. I think it was a jumbo horse and a regular size horse. I think it might have been a stallion. So this is a real horse farm. Oh, okay. If you look inside the barn, look how big that horse is. Oh, maybe it's its baby. I don't know. Okay. Oh, here's another horse farm. And this is more places for horses to roam. Okay. Getting close to the house. Oh, it's coming up. Okay. Here it is. There it is. Trying not to be the weird people driving by videoing, but that's who we are.